and I'm out of here. We're gonna catch you on the next one. Welcome back to JT's World, man. You see that? Not the 945, the 57 degrees. Don't you hate that? You gotta make sure your battery is good, man. Don't you hate that? Lights on. That's what I woke up to. Lights on. Another Optima down. Huh? Huh? Another Optima down. Huh? So, gotta get this bad boy off of here. Go get me a Duralast. Like what's on that? You hear me? Another Optima down. Good thing we got this. Ever start jump box? Huh? If you don't got one, go get you one. Jump box. Save you a lot of time. So, zoom in out. Huh? We about to get this off, man. Go get us a Duralast Platinum. Huh? I mean, I guess it did its job. For what it's worth, I guess it did its job. Run my loom back right. Alright, so let me get my tools. Let me get this off. I'll be right back with you. The only downside about that Duralast, it don't have top and side posts. I like to run my music to my side posts, so I won't have all that clutter on the top. So I gotta figure out. Matter of fact, my battery terminals got all them extra ports in it. I might just throw it in there. Might be the best deal for me. But I don't like all the clutter. So I put my music. Hopefully I don't shock myself. Don't try this at home. See what I'm saying? I don't like my music to the top post. See how thick that wire is. Got a nice size wire on there. See, hit it like that. See, I don't like it. It's ugly when they get to going, when you get to tying them to the post like this. It's ugly, man. I don't like it. So I'm gonna figure out, maybe I can put them two together and put this one on this one. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. But I don't like it hanging outside posts like that. I already got this one. Because if you have Mercury Grand Marquis, Crown Vic, Lincoln Town Car, this wire gonna burn up on you. So I build my own. So I don't have to worry about it no more. I build my own. So let me figure out how I'm gonna wire this up and how I'm gonna do this to make it look somewhat clean, get my loom and stuff back on. And we finna go get this battery. Have to take a pause for the calls and give me some of that banging ass lemonade, huh? Huh? You ain't never had Chick-fil-A lemonade? Go get you some right now. Right now. Go get you some. Drop this bad boy off in here. Yeah, it might be better if I turn around the right way, huh? What you think? Look at that. Come on now. Don't tell me you ain't fitting, baby. Huh? Move all these wires you can fit. There. Get off in there. Sit down for me, huh? All right. Got this bad boy off in here. When you buy a battery, get the installation kit. Get the grease. Get the terminal protectors. Get all that. They don't sell it for no reason. Get all that. See if this was my problem. Shit, ain't no see if it's my problem. I know it's my problem. All right. Get a little dab. Get a little dab. One hand shouter. You know what I'm saying? Get a little dab. Get a little dab. Let's see. Dab it on there. There you go. Oh, you come out on the inside. That on there. All right. Time to get to the meat and potatoes of it. All right. Maybe I should open this before I start this camera. Maybe I should have. Made it a lot easier. All right. Red gotta be for power. Rub that in. Red gotta be for power. Green gotta be negative. I don't see why they ain't make it black, but oh well. Close to Christmas time. They bring the Christmas colors in. We don't go with that one. Huh? That's how I'm gonna shoot it. Bring the Christmas colors in. Man, it's a bigger battery. Cables don't gotta be as long. And these cables come from AutoZone as well. I mean, not the cables, the terminals. So you gotta use an outlet wrench and a socket to get them bad boys tight. Huh? Extra secure. So, let me see how wide it is. Then once I see how wide it is, I'm gonna bring the camera back. We're gonna see if we're gonna make this day better. Moment of truth. Got it all wired up. Still a little messy, but a lot better than having a whole bunch of it on there. Moment of truth. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Huh? Lights back on. Oh, that's what she was. That's what she needed. Huh? She running now. Let me see if the music still works. Let me see if the music still works. Gotta set this up. Let's see. We're going English. Yeah. Apple CarPlay on. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. See if we got music. See if we got music still. Cause these windshield wiper blades up.
This election is the most critical of our lifetime. Affordable health.
When you want to hear music, they don't have music. I don't have my charger in here. Let's see. Come on. 104.5. Come on, bail your boy out. Huh? I ain't gonna bail me out. Let's see. Sound. Let's see. Rear speaker on. Subwoofer on. Oh no, I ain't trying to do all that. Huh? Subwoofer. Bam. Let's see. I don't care what kind of music it is. I want just some music. Let's see what that is.
Did you ever make
say? It's working. Big pressure, baby. Alright, JT's out, man. Optima down, Duralast up. If you ain't got one, go get you one. Huh?